Marketable securities are financial instruments that companies or individuals can quickly convert into cash. Let's look at how they work. The key feature here is liquidity. These are assets that trade on public exchanges, making them easy to sell at market price. Because they are so liquid, you can usually turn these holdings into cash in just one business day. Common examples include stocks, government bonds, and money market funds. These are all assets with a ready secondary market. Unlike non-marketable assets like private equity or real estate, these securities have transparent pricing and are easily bought or sold. This chart shows how different assets rank by liquidity. Marketable securities sit near the top, right behind cash. Companies use these securities to store excess cash safely, while keeping it available for future operational expenses. Understanding these assets helps you see how markets stay efficient. Check back for more finance basics. Educational content, not financial advice.